now you already agree that KPI is good for your company, but then you may face problem when you implement your KPI. For example, one of the problem is your goal is not clear. When your goal is not clear, the department will interpret it their own way, and the staff will interpret their own way, and you end up the various KPI target and initiative are not aligned. So that can be a problem. Of course, sometimes you set the wrong KPI, sometimes you set the wrong measurement. That can also cause problem. And one of the biggest problem is staff buy-in. If the staff don't believe in this KPI or don't like to participate in this KPI, we will still fail, for example. So there are problems. So by joining the KPI training, you may explore more about these problems when you start implementing your KPI.